Welcome to NareshIT. I've been conducting more workshops on Gen AI and large language models because this field is growing rapidly. Many of my students are applying for jobs and every interview panel asks about LLM models, deep learning and neural network architectures. Last week, we built Llama 3 model from Meta and integrated with Hugging Face. We also built LLM model locally using Ollama. Gemini recently introduced a new LLM model called Gemma, which has 9 billion parameters. This Sunday, I will be conducting a free workshop. In this workshop, I will explain two practical applications. The first one, integrating Google Gemma model with Hugging Face, and the second one, Google Gemma model with Groq. But what is Groq? Groq was founded by a team of former Google engineers with a mission to revolutionize AI hardware. Groq is best known for its innovative tensor streaming processor, which is TSP. As AI models and LLM models become more complex and large size, the need for dedicated hardware. So, Groq's TSP is growing. I will explain Groq in depth during the workshop. This workshop is free for everyone, does not require any IT background to participate in this workshop. So one more announcement. My new FSDS AI Gen AI batch was started on this Monday at 7:30 p.m. up to 5 to 6 months. Anyone can join this course, apply for jobs, and become a data scientist or Gen AI engineer or LLM developer. So my name is Prakash Senapathi. I look forward to see you in the workshop.